It all started in the year 2010. Akshay Patra began operations in Guwahati, feeding around 8,000 children. Since then, it has come a long way. Today, it serves over 32,000 children in more than 570 schools. In Guwahati, Akshay Patra has been covering two districts, Kamrup and Kamrup Metro. Around 75% of the foundation's coverage is in Kamrup, the rural area, whereas 25% is in Kamrup Metro. PM Poshan Abhiyan is implemented through government schools. Most of the children in these schools are from underprivileged families, and the midday meal is very important for them. With vegetables becoming costly and therefore unaffordable, people are happy that at least their children are getting a nutritious meal with enough vegetables at school every day. In the past, Akshay Patra has received requests to deliver food on Sundays and on holidays as well. Many beneficiaries of Akshay Patra are children of daily wages. Many people in this region do fishing in Brahmaputra. These people leave for work early in the morning, so the children just have tea and some biscuits before coming to school. They know they will get a full meal in the afternoon from Akshay Patra. This assurance of a school meal is what prompts many people to send their children to school without worrying. There are two measures of knowing if children like the food. First, increased consumption, and second, them going home and enthusiastically telling their parents what they had for lunch at school.
गार्जियन लोगों से मुझे पता चला, छात्राएं, यहाँ के छात्राएं, हमारे विद्यालय की छात्राएं अक्षय पत्र का भोजन बहुत पसंद है। यहाँ के छात्राएं जितनी हैं, प्रायः ज्यादातर छात्रों की पारिवारिक स्थिति बहुत दयनीय होती है। मध्याह्न भोजन खाकर वो लोग बहुत संतुष्ट है और अपने माँ बाप को भी अपनी संतुष्टि के बारे में बताते हैं। हफ्ते में एक बार पुलाव देता है, तो पुलाव उन सबको बहुत पसंद है। उस दिन लाइन बहुत लंबा हो जाता है।
FA Saikia Girls High School has over 300 students. One of them is Noor Semim Sultana.
मुझे बड़ा होकर IPS ऑफिसर बनना है क्योंकि मुझे देश का सेवा करना पसंद है और मेरे मम्मी पापा का सपना भी यही है। मैं मम्मी पापा का सपना पूरा करना चाहती हूँ।
For over a decade, Akshay Patra has been nurturing the dreams of thousands of children like Noor in Guwahati.
मैं बड़ा होकर नाच बनना चाहती हूँ। डांगर है मैं डांसर होगा कुछ। मैं बड़ा होकर डॉक्टर बनना चाहती हूँ। मैं डांगर है कि ना आर्मी होगा बिचारू।
In 2017, the government allotted land to build a new kitchen, and the Airports Authority of India sponsored the capex. The new unit has a capacity of 50,000 meals and a host of new features, including automation, to add to the efficiency of the program. Everything is standardized. For instance, the quantity of rice needed is entered into the machine on the previous day as per the indent. The machine dispenses only the particular quantity of rice. As usual, a lot of attention is paid to menu design with due adherence to local preferences. In Assam, people prefer to eat rice. Accordingly, the Akshaya Patra menu in the state is rice-based. The foundation is always mindful of the local palate alongside the prescribed nutritional value. In Guwahati, people are not used to eating spicy food. People prefer mustard oil over soya oil and moong dal over arhar dal. These and other such things were taken into consideration when designing the menu. The foundation also incorporated local vegetables in the menu. At Akshaya Patra, children are central to everyone's efforts. It has always been Akshaya Patra's attempt to improve food consumption through innovative methods. In Guwahati, the foundation has introduced pita, a rice cake preparation, as an additional item for the same reason. Around 5 to 6 years back, the foundation brought an idli steamer which helped them add pita to the menu, thus improving children's rice consumption. The children have developed a strong liking for it, which is evident from their consumption. Every day, 4,000 children get the additional item on a turn-by-turn basis. Children's happiness is integral to Akshaya Patra's pursuit of zero hunger and quality education, sustainable development goals. Akshaya Patra will continue to support the dreams of these children through the assurance of a midday meal every school day.
मुझे अच्छा लगता है। हम सोचना चाहते हैं कि हम लेडीज होकर हम क्या कुछ नहीं कर सकते। हम बहुत कुछ करना चाहते हैं अपने जीवन में और हम आज एहसास दिलाना चाहते हैं कि लेडीज सब कुछ कर सकते हैं।